Okay, hello, this is Paul Tuss, Aero Instruments, and this thing is the noise therapy. And this is really a good device. It's a kind of sound design device, but there's a lot in there. And first of all, it's important to know that we created the noise therapy for try to develop something affordable with a lot of with a lot of attention that you don't want to stop with it. So you stay there like a kind of therapy. And then we came up with the idea to use this device on self-oscillation feedback, but also circuit band patch bay, and with a lot of options with light. And it's also an effect processor. Okay, this goes a little bit too fast, I understand. First, we will go to the basic. I will just turn it on, and yes, we plug it in like this. If you turn it on, make sure the knob is in the middle, and then you get the sound. Pretty noisy, right? Pretty noisy, but there's much more sound in there. So you get the feedback from this corner here, over here, and then you go like this. Then there is a whole patch bay, and there's here another knob that's controlling the feedback, so that has influence on these knobs. And then there's a switch to turn the light sensor on. I will just make some noise with it. It's now not used as an effect processor because there's an input that's also possible. It's now used as a noise source or a sound design thing. Here we go. You can make sounds like drops of water. Really nice. This is not just a noise machine. This is really to create feedback and work with a kind of filtering of the liquid. I can touch the LDR, and then it will make some different sounds. I can also use the LDR as a light sensor. It's making this sound because I patched here. Really crazy. You can find a lot of spots that you really It's all based on feedback. Now you hear this kind of liquid sound again. So it's live circuit bending what I'm doing. So it's really, I don't know what's gonna happen. This is how noisy it can go. Circuit bending is really, really interesting. So you make a mix between those guys and get the spot, get the sound. We make it like it cannot get broke. That's the thing. We make it like that. And you know, this device is a kind of affordable. We do this in DIY, in workshops, but we also have it assembled in the web shop. Why it's affordable? Because we take out the power switch. We take out some parts that are making the things more expensive. That's why, and it's still, everything works really good. So yeah, that's why it's for more people affordable to do it. Sometimes they say that we make things only for the elite, and I don't want that. The creativity is with all of the people, of course, and yeah. So this is only showing the feedback. I'm gonna show you also how to use it as an FX processor in a different video. Yeah. What's good to know is that we do this also in a DIY kit, and there is some text here also. That's kind of funny, but also you can learn from it. So yeah, it's gonna be in the web shop now. Thanks for watching, and there's gonna be another video about how it's used as an effect processor. Bye bye.